Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the bonk update today. Alright, so I think it's finally time we see crypto taking in a little bit of a dip to the downside as well, because this time it has been quite clear that nothing is interested to actually continue to go back to the upside. Now what happened yesterday for this coin here is that you made a nice good stop and a bullish candles right on the 55 EMA. Today the fact that you're coming down here is wrong. Okay, that is a very bad sign, and it actually means that we could probably be looking at a little bit of a further push to the downside. So I'm trying to figure out what's really going on. On the monthly time frame, it does look like there was a candle. Now, the main problem actually comes from this candle that you see right here. This is almost like high frequency doji right there. Probably looks like a shooting star, and shooting star are meant to be bad. So on the monthly, there is a reversal candle that unfortunately is making the trouble at the moment. Now the question is, how far can you go? Now my take is the monthly 10 EMA. Okay, you may pay a special visit all the way down to this 10 EMA. Now whatever the price is, if you look on a higher time frame, it's not even that much of a drop. But if you convert this drop in a smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, then understand that's a very big dip, and that's going to be almost 36% or maybe even 40% drop to the downside. Now this is pretty normal, to be honest with you. That coming down here, at least on the higher time frame, tells us that you are maintaining an uptrend. Maybe from there you could actually start to go back up once again, and also could be amazing time to get into bonk for those people who always wanted to get into bonk. So I don't really mind discounts, because for me, when the market drops down, you get the opportunity to increase your coins. When the market goes up, you actually get the opportunity to increase your your USDT or whatever that is. So thing is, the lowest you can go, I think, is on the monthly time frame. Let's look what the weekly looks like as well. And the weekly can actually take a toll down to number one down there. Yeah, but I actually think that the monthly is what really makes sense right now. I don't even think that the weekly actually shows that there are chances we see 1698, and that's where we can actually dip down, and maybe we make a wick all the way down to even to 1365, and then from there probably continue with the journey back up once again. Maybe if not in April, maybe next month or in June, hopefully. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.